Alright, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This video we will learn how to create a security alarm using this buzzer and an ultrasonic sensor. So let's quickly see how this works. When I bring an object right in front of the ultrasonic sensor, the alarm will go on. So let's try that again. When I bring my hand in front of this sensor, the alarm will go on. So let's try that once again. So that is how this works. So let's quickly take a look at how we create this circuit, and before that we're gonna go through what all components we will require to create this circuit. So let's get on to that. So we will require a breadboard, an ultrasonic sensor, a buzzer, a couple of jumper wires, and of course our Arduino Uno. So let's quickly get on to making this circuit. To start with, let's plug in our buzzer. On top of the buzzer you will see a plus symbol, so that will tell you which of these two pins is the positive pin. In this case our plus symbol is over here, which means this pin is positive. Let's plug it onto the breadboard. Alright, so once I have done that, my pin will be plugged in. Now we will take a jumper wire and plug it from the positive end onto the Arduino digital pin 11. So we've taken it onto digital pin 11. Now we will plug in the negative pin of our buzzer onto ground of our Arduino Uno. So that's the connections for the buzzer. Now let's look at how to connect our HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor. So this sensor has 4 pins: the VCC, the trigger pin, the echo pin, and the ground pin. Other than that, these two eye-shaped things are, the T stands for transmitter and the R stands for receiver. So this is our ultrasonic sensor. Let's plug it onto the breadboard. So this is our sensor. We will plug it on like that. So once we've plugged it, we will start adding the connections. So to the VCC pin over there, the first pin from the right, we will connect that onto 5 volts of our Arduino Uno. Then we have the ground pin. The ground pin of the ultrasonic will be connected into the ground of our Arduino Uno as well. Then we have the echo and trigger pins. So the pin to the left is our trigger pin. I have connected the trigger pin to digital pin 10 right here, and our echo pin will go into digital pin 9. So these are our connections. Now let's quickly take a look at the code required for this program to work. So this right here is our program. Towards the top we have our 2 integers, the echo and trigger pin. In our void setup we have defined these 2 pins, whether or not they are output or input. In our void loop we have given the command that whenever the ultrasonic sensor senses any sort of object in front of it, it will trigger the buzzer to go on and set off the alarm. So let's try to upload our program real quick and see whether or not our program works and how our circuit responds to this program. Alright, so once we are done writing down the code, all that is left is to upload this upload the program after connecting this USB cable onto the Arduino Uno. Once we have done that, we will test out the program. So this is our ultrasonic sensor, and when I bring my hand in front of it, the buzzer will go on. Let's try it again. As you can, if you might notice, there's a slight contrast in the tune which makes it sound more like a siren. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. We look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like rating on this video.